So today I'm going to show you how to do the long tail cast on. So I'm going to use about 1.5 feet of yarn just for this example. We're going to do a slip knot, so you wrap it around your fingers through the loop, and that will give you a nice slip knot. You always want to put the short end in the front, and then you're going to tug with the working piece of yarn that's connected to the ball. And now you're going to grab both with your bottom 2 fingers, put your pointer finger and your thumb through it, and lay it down in your palm. You're going to go through the 2 stitches on your thumb, grab the one on your pointer finger and pull it through the hole. That's 2 stitches now. Through the hole, grab the stitch, back through the hole, 3. Through the hole, grab the stitch, 4. Through the hole, grab the stitch, and it gives you a really nice finish, like a simple braid on the underside, so it makes for a really nice finish. Now the next one I'm going to show you is the twisted German, because I am German. So the twisted German, you start out with that slip stitch again, keeping your short thread in the front. And the one in the back actually pulls the loop a little tighter. You're going to grab it the same way you did the long tail, like this, with both of your fingers through, laying it down in your palm. But instead of going through the hole, you're going to go under both of them and then back through the hole, grab the stitch, and bring it through the hole. And then you're pulling it a little tight. Get back into your start position again, under both, back through the hole, grab the stitch, and through that little triangle opening. Back to your start position, under both, back through the hole, grab your stitch, through the little triangle hole. Under both, back through the hole, grab the stitch, through the little triangle hole, and pull it tight. And this one will give you a bigger braid, so a little fancier braid on the bottom of your work. It's also very stretchy, so this is a great, the twisted German is a great one to use as a cast on for the bottom of a sweater. You'll find that it will keep its shape well. The last cast on I'm going to show you is called the Crochet Cast On. With the crochet cast on, the one nice thing is you don't have to worry about how much of a tail to give yourself, because you don't need one. Just leave enough so that you can hide it when you're finished. You're going to make your slip knot. And you're going to put that over on your crochet hook. And you're going to pull again on the long thread that's connected to the ball of yarn. So now you're going to take your knitting needle and your slip knot. You're going to put your working thread behind the needle, and you're going to grab it with your crochet hook and pull it through the slip knot. And that is the hardest part about this whole thing. Now you have 2 viable loops. You're going to put your thread back behind, so in between these two. And you're going to grab the thread and make another stitch. You're going to put it between the two, grab it, and make another stitch. Going to put it between them, grab it, pull it through your slip stitch. Now you're going to notice that I'm showing this to you with a crochet hook that is actually smaller than the knitting needle. You don't really want to do that. You really want to have a crochet hook and a knitting needle that are exactly the same size, because your last stitch is going to be the stitch that's on your needle, and you're just going to put it up over the end and fasten it down. Now this is a great cast on for a beginner, simply because you don't have to worry about that tail. It's also great if you have to cast on like 150 stitches to start a project. That way, again, you don't have to worry about how much of this tail you're going to have left. So, makes it nice. So thanks for participating in this video.